What are people doing nowadays? Point with your buddies and just like, oh yeah, pass it around. Smoke a joint. Okay. People are taking liquid Viagra to have fun? Just like, you know what, it's a Thursday. I'm gonna have some liquid fucking Viagra today. What's going on here? That's got such bad deja vu. Have we talked about this before? Climbing up that and talking about liquid Viagra or something. I'm serious. I got really bad deja vu right there. Yeah, it's a Monday. Fucking stupid ass fucking game. How do I hit myself in the face with this? Maybe you should talk to your doctor about that? Dude, just put on some, like, music. You know what I mean? Like, you know, with liquid Viagra. No, just put on, like... Fucking liquid Viagra out of here.